This is a Vauxhall Corsa 08 plate. Yeah, Peter. Yeah, sorry.
Right.
And yeah, 1.2. Got a little bit about the car. Well, let's just make sure the engine light is still left on. Right, normally they do extinguish after a while, but this has stayed on. So let's see what it says. Let's turn it off. Let's just wait for it to load up. So I'll just select diagnose, engine light, and let it enter the system. Okay, so it tells us there is an engine light on. Let's just read the code. Turn on ignition. There you go. Try again. Oh, what is this saying now? Let's just start that again. Might have to reset it. The device. Now put on the ignition. On. Read code. There you go. It was in the misfire. Oh, wait, it's got a misfire. Well, okay, let's just see if we can reset it. Escape that. And then erase codes. Yep. Done all that. Right. Let's just see. Let's turn the engine on. Yeah, it's gone off. So that's how you reset an engine light. Now if there's a misfire, it may even come back on.